Reading 5-digit numbers. Large numbers are divided into periods, and it makes reading large numbers easier. The digits in the same period are read together. 5-digit numbers are divided into 2 periods, ones period and thousands period. The ones, tens and hundreds digits form the ones period. The thousands and the 10,000s digits form the thousands period. 35,000. Digits in the thousands period are read together. 682. Digits in the ones period are read together. Example. How would you read the following 5-digit numbers? A. 52,371. B. 81,529. C. 99,999. Solution. A. 52,371 is read as 52,371. B. 81,529 is read as 81,529. C. 99,999 is read as 99,999. Example. Write the following numerals by separating the periods. Write the number names too. A. 79,413. B. 54,720. C. 86,349. Number. Name. A. 79,413. 79,413. B. 54,720. 54,720. C. 86,349. 86,349.